Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin on an internet-connected PC. Sign in to the account tied to your Office license and confirm the product key. Once done, download the Office Deployment Tool, ODT, from Microsoft and extract it to a folder. Make sure you choose architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, and channel, because that controls the build you'll get. Next, create a simple XML configuration pointing to the source and languages. Now run ODT with that XML to download the full offline installation, files to the folder you created. You'll now assemble the offline package using the downloaded files. First, double-check the XML, include your exact product ID, language tags, and desired channel so updates match your environment. Then run setup. exe with the /download switch and the XML. This pulls every cab and resource into the target folder. When complete, inspect the folder to confirm the expected files and folder structure exist and that total size matches your estimate. If everything is present, copy the entire folder to your USB or transfer location. On the offline machine, plug in the USB or mount the network location and run setup. exe with the /configure parameter and the same XML you used to download. You'll see Office install locally without internet downloads. Let it finish, and then open an Office app to activate. You may need to sign in or enter the product key. If activation requires one-time online verification, briefly connect the machine. If something goes wrong, check the XML paths and architecture match, rerun setup, and examine the log files for specific error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.